Are you ready to revolutionize your side hustle game with cutting-edge AI tools and digital skills? The landscape is changing fast. Introducing the groundbreaking ebook, AI Tools and Digital Skills for Side Hustles in 2025. A guide designed to not just keep you in the game, but make you dominate. We're talking multiple income streams, the flexibility to call your own shots, and the power to turn your passion into a freaking empire. It's packed with actionable strategies, real-world examples, and the no BS insights you need to level up your hustle in the age of AI. Let's go! AI is already here and it's changing the game. This isn't about robots taking over, it's about you taking control. First up, automation. Imagine taking those repetitive tasks that suck up your time and energy and outsourcing them to AI. Content creation got you bogged down. AI can help you generate killer copy, graphics, even video scripts, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. AI-powered analytics platforms give you the insights you need to understand your audience, optimize your strategies, and scale your hustle like never before. By the end of this chapter, you'll be amazed at how much more efficient, effective, and frankly, your side hustle has become. Buckle up. It's about to get real interesting. The online world, it's not a fad, it's the future. And if you want your side hustle to not just survive but thrive, you need to master the digital skills that run this show. First up, social media. We're talking about building a community, engaging with your audience, and turning those followers into loyal customers. Next, we're diving into the world of website creation. Your website is your online storefront, your 24/7 sales machine. We'll break down the essentials from design and user experience to SEO and content marketing, so you can create a website that converts like crazy. And speaking of SEO, that's up next, because what good is a killer website if no one can find it? We'll teach you the ins and outs of search engine optimization. By the end of this chapter, you'll be a digital marketing ninja, equipped with the skills you need to navigate the online world with confidence and crush your competition. All right, now we're getting to the good stuff. You've got the AI tools, you've mastered the digital skills. Now it's time to choose the right side hustle strategy that aligns with your passions and your goals. First up, we're talking about freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, the gig economy is booming. Next, we're getting creative. If you've got a passion for art, music, or anything in between, the creator economy is where it's at. And for all you entrepreneurs out there, we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce. Setting up an online store has never been easier, and we'll guide you through every step of the process. This is where the rubber meets the road, where your dreams start to become a reality. All right, it's time to bridge the gap between theory and action. This chapter is all about using AI to optimize your workflows, boost productivity, and make more money with your side hustle. We'll show you how to use AI for scheduling, managing emails, creating marketing materials, and analyzing website traffic. Imagine writing blog posts faster, crafting social media captions in minutes, or automating customer support. That's the power of AI, and we're going to show you how to harness it. By the end, you'll be amazed at how efficient and effective your side hustle has become. So there you have it. The roadmap to side hustle domination in the age of AI is in your hands. You've got the tools, the skills, and the strategies. Now it's time to take action. Don't let this be another one of those ebooks that gathers dust on your virtual bookshelf. The world is changing faster than ever, but with the right knowledge and the right mindset, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve incredible things. Grab your copy of AI Tools and Digital Skills for Side Hustles in 2025 today. Order your copy now via the Amazon link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Marketing Money Mastery for more insightful content.